kids! Welcome to the exciting boat challenge! Today, we will find out which boats float and which ones sink. Let's start by making our own paper boats. Fold the paper carefully. Great job! Everyone ready? Now, let's test our first boat. Wow! It floats! That's amazing!
What happens if we add some weight?
Oh no! The boat is sinking!
Too heavy!
Let's try something from nature. A leaf boat. Look! It floats so nicely! Now, a strong plastic bottle boat. And... yes! It floats very well! Let's make it more fun! Boat race time! Blow, blow, blow! Who will win? Here's the secret. Light objects float, but heavy objects sink. That's science. Oops! That wasn't part of the challenge! That was funny! Thanks for joining the boat challenge. Try it at home and have fun. See you next time. Let's compare a big boat and a small boat. Which one will float better? Wow! A wooden stick boat. Let's see, will it float or sink? Now this shiny foil boat. Look how it floats! Amazing science! Uh-oh! Too much weight again! And splash! It sank! Let's use wind power! Blow the boats and watch them move fast! How many coins can the boat hold? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it sank! Let's give our animal friends a ride. Yay, they are floating safely. Wow! Look at the glowing boats at night, so magical. And the winner is the strongest floating boat. Great job, everyone! Let's try an ice boat. It floats, but wait, it's melting away! Paper versus plastic. Which one will survive longer in water? Which boat is faster? Let's find out in this speed challenge. Can paper stay strong in water? Oh no, it's getting wet and weak. Let's build a straw boat. Wow, it's floating nicely.